Hi you guys, we're going to do a combination SHTF leftover makeover tonight. I have this steak left over from our dinner Sunday, and that's a lot of meat. So what I thought I would do, I went through my preps and I have a case of lo mein noodles I got a couple years ago. So we're going to make some beef lo mein. And these are non-GMO, organic, whole wheat lo mein noodles. So I went through my vegetables and I have mushrooms, onions, carrots, one zucchini, bell pepper, and then like potatoes and things like that. So I think what I'm going to use is onion, zucchini, and mushroom, and slice up the beef, excuse me, really thin. We're gonna cook our noodles. So I'm gonna do that. I've got my pot on, I didn't turn it on. So we're gonna get this pot going, follow the directions on the back for cooking the noodles, get those done, and then we'll come back. I'll prep my mushrooms, my zucchini and onion, and we'll see what kind of creation we can make with this beef. Slice it up thin, stretch it, make it go a long way. So if you have a large family, you can do this with the vegetable. Slice that meat up thin, and you can also use your canned meat. You can use any meat you want, or you could just use any vegetables you want. So it can be meat and vegetables, just vegetables, but the more you put in there, the further it'll go. So I'm going to get everything prepped up, wait for this pot of water to get boiling, and then we will come back and make some lo mein. Okay everybody, I think I've got everything prepped up. My wok is hot. You can use any big skillet that you have. And if you don't have the lo mein noodles, you could use spaghetti noodles. Add some oil. See, it's very hot. Probably too hot. There goes nothing. Have my zucchini. So that's zucchini, mushroom, and onion, and then I have some mushroom and onion left from our steak. I'll throw that in at the end. Normally you would do the beef first, but mine's already cooked. I have a sauce made with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, a quarter teaspoon of sugar, I have some garlic here already minced up. I'll add a teaspoon or so of that after I get my veggies softened. Stir fry that until this squash softens up. And you could do this as well with any meat you had left over, like the quesadillas. You know, it's just working with what you have in your pantry, flavors and seasonings you have. Oh, and I have a slurry of cornstarch and water. Just a teaspoon with some cornstarch with some water. I'm going to go ahead and add these cold mushrooms and onions to get them hot. Going to add our meat, and normally that would be marinated before you cook it. That was rare. Stirring that around. Going to add our garlic. I have some white pepper I ground up. You can add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of that. Going to add our noodles. Going to add our sauce. Slurry. And if you have green onion, you could scatter that in when you're done. Turn it off. And that's a lot of food right there. Let's see what we have here. Could add some carrots to give it some more color. Let's taste this. So here it is. Got some more veggies on there. Let's try a zucchini. It's very hot. I always burn my mouth doing this. Hot. It's good, you guys. Saucy. Savory. The noodles are cooked perfect. The squash is nice. Still has its texture, but tender. It's good stuff. So, try this as a way to use up something you may have left or some of your canned meats, your garden vegetables if you grow a garden this year, or the vegetables you have in the refrigerator that you like they need to be used. So anyways, I just thought I'd share that with you. It's what I was making tonight. Get rid of that steak. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. So anyways, you all take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.